Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find a friend or how to find people in Kfriends application. So you can see this is the Kfriend application. So what you need to do, you need to click here, find friends. You can see this option, bottom corner on bottom on your screen. Simply tap on that, and after that you will get all the friends here. There is no way to search, but you can find here randomly, and there are some filters like which country friend you want. So here you can see country, simply tap on that, and then you will get all the country list. Okay, and if you click the language you will get all the and possible messages. So you'll get here language, which language. You can see here the Indian, Korean, Japanese, and everything is you can customize it. Gender, or you can see gender, or my surroundings, like it takes a premium. So after that you will find a friend here, and you will see their flag on their profile. You can choose people through their flag. So in this way you can add with your friend. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.